In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Spotify keeps pausing your music on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open Spotify app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. Navigate to the option Settings and Privacy. Now here you're gonna find the option of playback. Click on that. Under this, you're gonna find the option of gapless playback. Toggle on for this option as this can help improve playback performance. Then scroll down and make sure autoplay similar content is also enabled. Then head back, navigate to the option data saving and offline. Toggle off for the option data saver because it can sometimes interfere with smooth playback. After that, scroll down to storage and tap clear cache. Click on clear to confirm it. Now close this and launch your settings app. Navigate to the option battery. Head over to the option power mode. Now toggle off for the option low power mode as this can restrict background activity and may cause Spotify to pause unexpectedly. Next, return to main settings page, go to general. Click on iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Spotify and launch it. Now go ahead and click on Offload app and confirm it. Wait for a few seconds, then click on Reinstall app. After the app has been reinstalled, open Spotify again and test your music playback. In most cases, one of these methods will fix the issue and get your music playing smoothly again. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.